Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're diving back into the deep end today.
Always exciting to jump back in.
You know, spreadsheets. I mean, we all use them, right?
At least anyone who's ever had to wrangle any kind of data.
Budgets, lists, you name it. But are we using spreadsheets to their fullest potential? I'm talking like real spreadsheet ninja skills.
Well, I think there's always something new to learn, some hidden trick or shortcut that can save you tons of time.
Yeah, like those things that leave your coworkers wondering, how did they do that so fast?
Exactly. And today, we're going to uncover one of those secret weapons, a command that can transform the way you navigate spreadsheets.
Okay, spill the beans. What is it?
We're talking about Ctrl plus G, the go-to command.
Crawl plus G. Sounds kind of basic. What's so special about it?
Oh, it's way more powerful than it sounds. Think about it. How often do you find yourself scrolling endlessly through a massive spreadsheet, hunting for a specific cell?
Ugh, all the time. Especially when I'm dealing with those giant data sets. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack.
And that's where Cl plus G comes in. It lets you teleport to any cell instantly. No more scrolling, no more wasted time.
Wait, so I can just jump directly to a specific cell, like magic.
Yep, pretty much. You just hit Cl plus G, type in the cell reference, and boom, you're there.
So if I need to get to, say, cell BB153,
You just press Ctrl plus G, type in BB153, hit enter, and you're instantly transported to that exact cell.
no more scrolling through hundreds of rows. This is game-changing.
And it saves so much time, especially when you're working with those monster spreadsheets. Think of all the minutes you waste scrolling up and down, back and forth.
It adds up, that's for sure.
Oh, wait.
But wait, there's more, right? You mentioned something about a special button.
Ah, yes. The special butter. This is where go-to goes from being super useful to being unbelievably powerful.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Lay it on me. What does this special button do?
Imagine you're working with a messy data set, lots of blank cells scattered throughout. You need to clean those up, but going through each row manually would take forever.
Ugh, yeah, I've been there. So tedious.
But with the special button, you can instantly select all the blank cells in your spreadsheet. You just hit Ctrl plus G, click Special, and then select blanks. Bam, every blank cell is highlighted.
No way. So I can clean up my data in seconds instead of spending hours manually searching.
Exactly. And that's just one example. The special button lets you target all sorts of specific cell types, formulas, constants, cells with conditional formatting. It's like having a spreadsheet superpower.
Whoa, hold on. So I can use this to say, find all the cells in my spreadsheet that contain a specific formula.
Absolutely. That's a really common use case for the special button, especially when you're trying to audit a spreadsheet or understand how it works.
Mind blown. I've been using spreadsheets for years and never knew this existed. It's like discovering a whole new dimension of spreadsheet control.
And it's all hidden within this seemingly simple Ctrl plus G command. Talk about a hidden gem.
This is incredible. I can't wait to try it out myself. So just to recap for everyone listening, Ctrl plus G, the go-to command, lets you jump directly to any cell in your spreadsheet. No scrolling required.
And with the special button, you can target specific types of cells like blanks, formulas, or constants, which can save you a ton of time and effort when it comes to data cleaning, analysis, and more.
It's like going from driving a clunky old car to piloting a high-speed spaceship. Suddenly, spreadsheets feel a lot less intimidating.
And that's the point, right? To empower people to use spreadsheets more efficiently and effectively, who knows what other hidden gems are out there just waiting to be discovered?
Well, that's a great question for everyone listening. What other spreadsheet secrets have you uncovered? Share your tips and tricks in the comments because we're all on this spreadsheet journey together. And until next time, happy spreadsheeting.
Happy spreadsheeting.